Hi, I'm Linda Tucci, Industry Editor at TechTarget. I'm here with Allan Tate. He's the Executive Chair of the MIT Sloan CIO Symposium to talk about this year's conference. For more information on this topic, please click on the link above or the one below. This is the 19th year of the MIT Sloan CIO Symposium. How will this year's conference be different from the ones in the past?
Well, we're coming back to being in person. We're going to be at the Sandberg Conference Center on the MIT campus along with Wang Auditorium. And unlike our last in person in 2019, this is going to be smaller and more intimate, more exclusive. Go up to the 7th floor of Sandberg, you have a beautiful view of Boston. We're bringing back the Innovation Showcase, which will start on Sunday night when people register just before the CIO Leadership Award Dinner. Unlike prior years, everyone with an in-person ticket will come to the award dinner. And then on Monday, we're going to have a full day of panels and keynotes with lunchtime back up on the 7th floor and a reception on the 7th floor after the events. There's going to be a lot of networking and it's really going to be fun.
That sounds neat. So what about the content? What's the new idea this year?
Well, so we went through a long process and we decided that we wanted to focus on digital ecosystems and to bring people together and think about whether this is really reshaping the future of business. We've seen COVID and tech accelerating the digital transformation. We see cloud and AI and different types of devices, both phone, tablet, IoT, driving creativity and a trade of services and partnerships. We see the supply chain being more than just physical devices, but also a sharing of digital technology that's really enabling companies to drive their revenue. And we also see CIOs dealing with a lot of unpredictable elements, whether it be the pandemic or war or cyber warfare. So we're going to explore the digital ecosystem.
I'm curious what you think the difference is between digital ecosystems post-COVID and digital ecosystems pre-COVID.
Yeah, that's a great question. So, certainly digital ecosystems existed before COVID, as did cybersecurity problems, as did cloud. But it's really, I think, a matter of maturity. And I can just give you one small example. The symposium itself, when we started out, we were a conference, we were on campus, we sold tickets, people came. But look at how we as a small nonprofit have evolved. We now have a platform to host our community. We host live streams. We have a back-end payment processor, a ticketing system. We have a CRM system in order to keep track of all of our speakers and all of our attendees and communicate with everyone. And we have different types of code that integrate these different tools into a platform. And so there's a lot happening because we're not just having the conference at the Sandberg Center and Wang Auditorium. All the conferences are being live streamed. People are coming to our online community to view it worldwide. And so we ourselves are taking advantage of a lot of digital technologies in order to put on the conference. So you can only imagine how this kind of integration, this kind of trade of services is affecting the enterprise.